Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch GT4 to an Android phone. First, make sure your Android device is running Android 7.0 or a newer version. It's also a good idea to charge your watch to at least 20% before starting. Finally, download the Huawei Health app, which is essential for the connection process. You can find it on the Huawei App Gallery or other reliable app stores. Now, let's get your devices paired. Open the Huawei Health app on your Android phone and head over to the Devices tab. From there, tap on Add Device and choose your Huawei Watch GT4 from the list. Your phone will then send a pairing request to your watch. Simply confirm this request on both your watch and your phone to complete the connection. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. First, double-check that both Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your Android phone. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your Huawei Watch GT4 and your phone can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, try clearing the cache of the Huawei Health app through your phone settings. This often helps refresh the app's data. Once your Huawei Watch GT4 is successfully connected, you can start exploring its features. Use the Huawei Health app to customize watch faces, manage notification settings, and track all your fitness data and health metrics. For a consistent experience and to receive timely updates, make sure the Huawei Health app is allowed to run in the background on your Android phone. Enjoy your new connected experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.